Guys, my fellow Biafrans, it don't happen again. No. Just take 1 minute of your time and listen to this our brother wey una dey see for my screen like this and see wetin dey talk concerning wetin Nigeria government dey do to Nnamedi Kanu. Just take 1 minute of your time and listen to him. As they listen to him, they share the video and do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel so that anytime I drop video, you'll be the first person to see it. Make una watch the video first.
Good evening, good afternoon, good morning, good night, all of you, depending on your time zone or where you're hearing and watching me from this very wonderful day. Today is the 21st day of May 2025, a day that Nnamedi Kanu went to the court. And I want to stick to what I know and what I've been saying. Nnamedi Kanu has no case in any court of Nigeria. It is Nigerian government that has a case to answer on how Nnamedi Kanu got to Nigeria. So no matter what they do, they cannot confuse Biafrans. Nnamedi Kanu was enjoying his bail in Afariboku in his father's house when the Nigerian terrorist government came with their military to gun down 28 people in his house, and Nnamedi Kanu escaped with his life, and they rushed back to Kenya and kidnapped him, bundled him back to Nigeria, subjected him to all manner of inhuman treatment for 8 years. For 4 years going to 5 years now. And up to today, we are still where we are. Nigeria has not been able to prove any case against Nnamedi Kanu. The Patent Court of Jurisdiction of Nigeria discharged and acquitted Nnamedi Kanu of every crimes and charges that the Nigerian state brought. The Nigerian government went to stay an execution of its own citizen. That is how bad Nigerian government is or has become today. And Nigeria is a killing field. Now, Nigeria is ranked to be one of the deadliest countries for Christians to live in. So Biafrans are not exceptional. We are being unalived every single day in Nigeria. And today, they have not been able to come up with evidence. They have been scouting for evidences on how they will get Nnamedi Kanu down. And that has not been, in their favor. So they went to, bring someone who looks very tattered to come and frame Nnamedi Kanu up by their video. You and I know that anybody that the Nigerian state arrests for criminality or for terrorism will not look the way this our brother is looking. And I'm going to show you. Let me raise this up so that we can see this very well.
Forgiveness, because I discovered there is no road. I discovered there is no road.
Now, this is a man that killed, allegedly, said the unalived Ahmed Gulak. Now, do you see how fresh this guy looks? Do you see how he's standing comfortably, confidently, talking to the person who is interviewing him? Just because they have concocted their story and now brought him out to come and disgrace himself. Let's continue listening to him.
Politicians, well-meaning Nigerian politicians. So we are on the patrol team. So they asked me to stop. I was surprised. I just blocked them.
Now, he said, they asked us to stop. Who were the people that asked you to stop? And from there, you understood that he was making mistake and said he blocked the man. He blocked his car. Listen to the rubbish he was saying because it was not even coordinated or rather articulated with his words.
Spider. Then he said the man should go down.
Now, he said the man should go down. They asked somebody to come down. He doesn't know who they want to exterminate up to now that is even talking. He just randomly stopped the car and told them to come down for doing nothing because this is a Biafran soldier, according to what they are doing. And the reason why you see this Biafran flag behind him is so that the world will know that this is Biafran soldier or think that this is Biafran soldier. And the Biafran soldiers are committing act of terrorism in Nigeria. So that is why this video was made and our flag, the Biafran flag, was put at the back of this man. Why? Because of hunger. Let us continue.
The man do as if he doesn't well. The man not go down. Johnny, shoot, he didn't enter. So
now, did you hear? They forced the man out of his vehicle and they now shot Ahmed Goodluck. He wasn't even the one that shot him. So where is the original man that they claimed that shot the man? And Johnny now shot him. They discovered that he was wearing Odeshi. He was wearing a superstitious power in him. And let us listen to what he said about that one.
Onyami. I say it's not something is in his body. Now he not take away that thing and shot that man. And later we not discover this Ahmed. Good luck.
So why they were even trying to unalive this individual, why they were trying to unalive this individual, they didn't even know that it was Ahmed Goodluck that they were trying to unalive. That is how stupid this lie is. They didn't know. It was after they might have finished doing what they are doing, that is where he realized that it was Ahmed Goodluck that they went after and they unalived. Listen, I'm going to be showing you so that you will know that this Biafran fight is not easy. What Nnamedi Kanu is facing.
Then at the same time, we have already, we now go back and burn Abombise police station and the Obu, Yigiti, and the Ayazu police station.
Now, he's saying that at the end of that mission, that after they might have unalived Ahmed Goodluck, they now went ahead to a police station and burned the police station just that same day. There is no sense in that, honestly. Now, you claim that you people were the one that unalived Ahmed Goodluck, right? Now, look at the people, look at the person very well. Excuse me. Look at this guy. Look at how fresh, how neat this guy looks. There is no beating on his face. This guy looks, let me, look at, there is no handcuff on his two hands. Now, he's freely moving his body. Now, you can tell that there is no beating. There is no form of, beating. There is no form of beating around him. He's just talking trash from the both sides of his mouth. He's even confused. He doesn't know what to say. Why? Because of hunger in the land. And they are trying to incriminate our Onye Nduma Nnamedi Kanu. Because I said I was never going to talk about it. Because talking about this whole case means nothing. It doesn't make any sense. Why? Because these people have nothing to use and charge our leader, Nnamedi Kanu. And I'm telling you people the truth. These people are more evil than the devil himself. And now, Biafrans, the spoiler alert. For the very first time, Biafran independence has been redeclared. And for the very first time, the world is going to hear about Biafra very soon. Because Mazi Simon Ekpa has dragged Nigeria out to the international court. So they are going to face this thing in the international courts with the Nigerian terrorist government. They are looking for a way to name Mazi Nnamedi Kanu, to call us a terrorist without any evidence or proof. That is why they are not allowing people to come into the court, so that people will not see their madness. Mazi Simon Ekpa's case is waiting for them. Mazi Simon Ekpa has drawn them to the international body, international world, for the very first time that the international body, ICC, will hear the killings, the unaliving, the injustice meted on Indibu in Biafran land. You can see. I had today. I had opportunity of talking with Van when he was insulting me, and I asked him one question. I said to him, "You keep telling people, you people keep shouting." No, I said, Ogenkere collected 150 million from Peter Mba of Enugu State, which I said it, and I'm not hiding. And the only thing that will make Ogenkere prove to Biafrans that he didn't collect that money, let him print the statement of account that Obato Obie, our prime minister, was asking him to present before this thing that happened to Obato Obie happened to him. From January 2023 till January 2025. without any missing of date, and he will print his personal bank statement and bring it. Then we will now give him proof that he collected money from the government of Nigeria to make a mess of this redeclaration. Enough of this rubbish. A lot of people have been unalive because of their actions, and we can no longer stand and watch these people. These people have done more harm than good in Biafran land, and we can no longer condone this. I spoke with him. He was just calling me all manner of names, and I told him, I'm not going to insult you because you are my elder brother, and I respect elderly people. I'm not going to insult you, but respect yourself. Any day you come up with the notion or perverse notion that Madam Ngozi Orabueze is a terrorist, that we should not follow her because she is defending the mandates, the redeclaration of Biafra, that is when I will attack you. I'm not going to attack you because you have not offended me. I'm not going to attack you because I don't know you personally. Because he was asking me, do I know him personally? These people have nothing against anybody. Nothing against Biafrans. Nothing. The only thing that they have to provide to Biafrans are saga. Nothing in their head. No document. They are all saboteurs. And I'm not saying it because I want you to like me. Enough of this nonsense. Every single day, this is what they do. This is what they do. Adade Orama is going mad, insulting Madam Orabueze left and right. Orabueze is fixing things, putting things in order. They cannot do that. What has this woman done that will make us leave him and follow you people? You can't give us any proof or any substantial thing that you have done for us to now, start following you. But you just want us to follow you stupidly. Are we mad? We are not. So on this note, Biafrans, I just want you to understand that Nigeria has no case on Nnamedi Kanu. They are just trying to build nothing on nothing and expect that nothing to stand on something, which is never going to happen. Mazi Simon Ekpa has drawn you out, so you must come to defend yourself in Finland and in ICC, because this time around, we ain't joking. Mazi Simon Ekpa is a smart guy. I give hand for him. Biafrans airborne. Follow Dr. Madam Ngozi Orabueze for more updates, because updates boku this month. Remember, this month we are opening our embassy in Washington, D.C. This month, I think, on the 30th, is sit-at-home day to, honor our fallen hero and the rest of them. May God bless Mazi Nnamedi Kanu. May God bless Mazi Simon Ekpa. May God bless Dr. Mrs. Ngozi Orabueze, the surrogate of Simon Ekpa, and our Deputy Prime Minister, Her Excellency. And may God bless every genuine Biafran that is listening to me on my platform. The only thing I owe you people is the truth. I don't need money from any one of you. Biafrans, I love you guys. I love you all. Thank you.